have what we call the NAC circuits, or notification appliance circuit. These circuits connect to an output device, something like a LED strobe horn device. This will activate if the smoke detector senses smoke within the chamber, or if someone manually pulls the pull station. It will then send a signal through fire alarm cables to the SLC loop, give us an alarm signal. The CPU of the fire alarm system will then activate the output device, or the NAC circuit, to activate the horns and strobe to alert the occupants of the building that there's an emergency and you may need to exit as soon as possible.